Hello friends, welcome to FeverX. Today we will see how to make your MIUI smartphone look cool. I have made a cool theme from a bunch of themes that really look amazing. You must really try this out. So, first of all, we have to download some themes from our MIUI theme store. Okay, I have downloaded that themes already, so I will show them out and you have to download them. Okay, so here are the themes. The first theme is Fusion SRX UI. So you have to download this theme. It is really a cool theme. Okay, the second theme is r.o.g. Here it is. Okay, you have to download this too. And now third theme is Spider-Man v12.5. It is also a cool theme. Looking for dial pad, we will see this is really cool theme. Okay, so you must have to download this also. The last and fourth theme is ROG IFY v12. This is also a cool looking theme. Okay, so you have to download these four themes. I will put these themes name in the descriptions. Okay, now what we have to do, we have to go on the profile. This is the profile, and now choose the themes. Okay, I choose the themes and click on the Fusion SRX UI. So I have clicked on it, and now apply this theme for all lock screen, home screen, system and icons. So I had applied it. Now we can see the theme is looking really cool. Wow, you can see the change in icons, time, here, status bar. Wow, it is really amazing. So now we will see the next step. We have to click on the ROG IFY v12. Here I had clicked. Now choose here only the home screen. Okay, I had deselected the lock screen, system and icons and choose only the home screen and applied it. So I had applied it, and now we will look how our home screen look like. Okay, wow, it is also looking nice. Yes, I know the wallpaper is too much bright, but we can change it. Okay, so now the another step is to choose the home yes, now go to the customize theme. Where is the customized theme? This is profile. This is the customized theme. Okay, we go to the customized theme and click on the messaging. Now choose the messaging to the r.o.g and apply it. We applied r.o.g. Now go back and click on the dial pad, apply Spider-Man v12.5. now applying, we can see this now in the home screen. Here we go messaging. Oh wow, it is looking amazing. Messaging is just amazing, guys. And now we will see the dial pad. Wow, great. We can see the screen is just not for the dial pad, it's also looking great for this thing. Okay, so it is nice, just nice. Now all things are set. Just reboot your smartphone. You will find a cool boot animation and audio as well. uh, One thing I just forgot about this, you can also change this wallpaper. Okay, I go to the theme. Here I just have to see some wallpapers here, and I can change my wallpaper as I like. I have one wallpaper which I like so much. This one. This is So for home screen, this is good wallpaper. See this thing. Now all things are set. Just reboot your smartphone. You will find a cool boot animation and audio as well. Now your smartphone has got a new look. Hope you guys enjoy it. Thanks to all you guys. Bye.